Children, let's see one more sum on problems on ages. Now this is very interesting. Why I took this particular sum? For a simple reason. In the previous two sum, the question was starting from the present age, right? But here the question is starting from past, 8 years ago. So directly the question throws and it says that it goes into the past tense and it says 8 years ago. Whenever the question starts from past or future, 8 years ago, or for that matter 8 years hence, don't forget children, don't you forget, you have to bring the question into past. If the question is not in, you have to bring the question in present, you have to bring the question in present. If the question is not in present, it is your duty to bring the question in present, right? And how shall we do so? By initializing it in present age. 8 years ago, Indra's father's age was 5 times Indra's age, right? So who are the two parameters? Indra and his father. So we start off with solution. Let the present age of Indra, though the sum started off with the past tense, we are writing the present one. Let the present age of Indra be X years and let the present age of his father be Y years. Once again children, the question was talking about past tense and we started off with present tense. Keep this in mind. Now we can follow the question. Now it's the time to follow the question. What the question wants to say? 8 years ago. So what did sir said in the previous video? 3 words, 3 lines. 8 years ago. 8 years ago. 8 years ago. What was the age of Indra then? Indra's age was, can I say X minus 8 years? What was his father's age? Father's age was, can I say Y minus 8 years? Now we shall frame the equation as per first GC. 8 years ago, we are already there into the picture. Indra's father's age was 5 times Indra's age at that time. So what is Indra's father's age 8 years ago? Y minus 8 is father's age was 5 times the age of Indra. Age of Indra at that time was X minus 8. Quite simple children. Y minus 8 is 5x minus 40. Bring this here, this one here. 5x, fellow going there becomes minus y, is minus 8, fellow going here becomes plus 40. So 5x minus y is 32. Equation number 1. Equation number 1. Next, after 16 years. So once again, 3 words, 1, 2 and 3 and 3 statements. After 16 years. Again start from the present. Don't start from the past. Don't you calculate from past 16. Don't calculate from past 16. Calculate from present children. That's the only mistake child commits or when problems they face of this kind. When they have these kind of sums, they make this mistake. It is not from past 16 years. It is from present 16 years. After 16 years. What shall I write down first? Age of Indra will be, what shall be the age of Indra? X plus 16 years. Age of father will be, how much will be? Father will be Y plus 16 years. X plus 16 years and Y plus 16 years. Now can we frame the equation? As per second GC. What is as per second GC? After 16 years, age of father, once again, age of father will be twice the age of Indra at that time. Age of Indra is X plus 16. As simple as that. We are framing equation by using word by word format. y plus 16 is 2x plus 32. Fellow going there, fellow coming here. 2x minus y is 2x minus y. 16 minus 32. 2x minus y is minus 16. Equation number 2. Which variable should I pick up? X or y? We should pick up y. Why? Because y has same coefficient 1. Moreover, what sign do they have? They have same signs. Same signs. Same signs, children. Subtract. Opposite signs, add. So, we shall write down here subtracting what? Subtracting equation. What from what? Subtracting equation 2 from 1. Or you can say 1 from 2 also. Mind you, you are not going to go wrong. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. I shall write down 1 first. 5x minus y is 32. That of 2x minus y is minus 16. 2x minus y is minus 16. Minus 16. Same sign, subtract. Change the sign. Change the sign. 5x minus 2x, 3x. Minus y plus y gets cancels off. 32 plus 16, mind you, you're supposed to focus on the new sign. 32 plus 16, 48. 3x is 48. X turns out to be 16. X turns out to be 16. Substitute. What? X equals to 16 in which equation, children? I feel the first one is good. Even you can go with the second one also. In equation 1. Write down the equation once again. 5x minus y is 32. 5 into 16 minus y is 32. 80 minus y is 32. Shift this minus y over there and 32 here. 80 minus 32 is y. So what is y then? 80 minus 32. What is y then? 48. So what is the present age of Indra? Therefore, the present age of Indra, which is nothing but, in our terms it is x. So x, which is 16 years, and the present age of his father. The present age of his father, or you can say simply father, being y, is 48 years. Now children, once again, before wrapping up, cross-check your answer. 8 years ago. So what was the age of Indra 8 years ago? 16 minus 8, 8. What was the father's age at that time? 48 minus 8, 40. So Indra was 8, father was 40. Indra, 8, 40. 8 5 is 40. You can cross-check the second one also. 16 years hence, afterwards. So what will be the age of Indra at that time? 16 plus 16, 32. What shall be father then? 48 plus 16, 64. Father will be twice. What is the relation between 32 and 64? Twice. So our answer is absolutely correct. Right, children? Sums are very simple if you know how to frame the equation and thereafter solve it.